Next, let's crochet the dinosaur's tail part. Take out the yarn of the corresponding color. First, hold the yarn end with your right hand. Wrap it around your left pinky finger once. Hang it over the index finger. Pinch the yarn end with your middle finger and thumb. This is how the yarn is secured. The tail starts with a magic ring. We first make a magic ring on our hand. Wrap the yarn end around the middle finger and pinch the crossover point. Take out the crochet hook. Insert the crochet hook through the loop on the middle finger. Yarn over and pull out. This forms a magic ring on the middle finger. The first round starts with a chain stitch. Then for single crochets, the last one is a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. For single crochets, attach the stitch marker. The third one. Fourth. For single crochets are completed, pull the yarn end. Tighten the magic ring. Finally, a slip stitch. This is what the first round of crocheting looks like. The second round starts with a chain stitch. Then, 1 single crochet and 1 increased stitch as a set. Repeat crocheting to sets. Finally, 1 slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. The first set, work 1 single crochet first. Attach the stitch marker. 1 increased stitch. Here is what a set of 1 single crochet and 1 increased stitch looks like. We crochet another set using the same method. Second set, 1 single crochet first. One increased stitch. Two sets of crocheting are completed. Finally, a slip stitch. Tighten. Then turn the fabric over to make the front side face out. This is what the second round of crocheting looks like. The third round starts with 1 chain stitch. Then 6 single crochets with no increase or decrease. The last one is a slip stitch, 1 chain stitch. Then work 6 single crochets with no increase or decrease. Attach the stitch marker. Six single crochets are finished. 1 slip stitch. This is what the third round of crocheting looks like when completed. The fourth round starts with a chain stitch, then 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch as a set. Repeat 3 sets. Finally, 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. This is what a set of 1 single crochet and 1 increase stitch looks like. We use the same method to crochet the remaining 2 sets. Second set, 1 single crochet first. One increase stitch. Third set, 1 single crochet first. One increase stitch. Three sets are completed. 1 slip stitch. This is what the fourth round looks like when completed. The fifth round starts with 1 chain stitch.
Then 9 single crochets with no increase or decrease.
The last one is a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. 9 single crochets with no increase or decrease. 9 single crochets are finished. 1 slip stitch. This is how the 5th round looks like after completing the crocheting. The 6th round starts with 1 chain stitch, then 3 single crochets, 3 increase stitches and 3 single crochets. The last one is a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. 3 single crochets. 1. Two. 3. 3 single crochets are finished. 3 increase stitches. Three increase stitches are finished. Then 3 single crochets. Finally, 1 slip stitch. This is what the 6th round looks like when crocheting is completed. The 7th round starts with 1 chain stitch. Then for single crochets, for increase stitches, and for single crochets. The last one is a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. For single crochets, 1. Two. 3. 4. For increase stitches. Then for single crochets. The last one is a slip stitch. This is what the 7th round looks like when crocheting is completed.
The 8th round starts with 1 chain stitch, then 16 single crochets with no increase or decrease.
The last one is a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. 16 single crochets with no increase or decrease. Please finish the remaining single crochets on your own. Finally, one slip stitch. This is what the 8th round looks like when completed. Next, we'll leave along yarn end and cut the yarn. The yarn end is used for sewing. Then, yarn over and pull out. Tighten. This completes the crocheting of the Stegosaurus tail.